For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about the long vowel phonogram pattern. So today you are going to be clicking through these blue cards and matching up the pattern that is shown on the card to a word that is on this board. So let's do one together. The first blue card says EEN. So what you want to do is take a red X and drag it and drop it over a word that has the long vowel pattern of EEN. I see one relatively close. And remember, you're trying to create a column or a row in order to complete this lesson. So I'm going to click and drag this red X to unseen that has the EEN. Click and drag this blue card, you are done with it. The next word, the next long vowel pattern I see here is AKE, and I see right next to the one I just put is handshake that has the AKE as well. So I'm going to click and drag another red X. Remember, you want to try to find words that will create a column or a row so you can be done with this lesson and submit it to your teacher.